What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Nike X Stussy unboxing. Spoiler alert, I did not get the shoes. This release was devastating. I don't know how I secured 4 pairs of the very first release they did of the Spiridons, however you pronounce it. I got 4 pairs of that tan colorway. So this time I got 0. I don't know how. I was basically in line forever. I could not even get through the line. I had it open on like all the laptops, all the computers, on all the phones, and I could not get through. I was just in line the entire time. Could not get a pair of shoes. Couldn't even get a beanie. Couldn't get a shirt. Could not get anything. Like, I could not get through that line. You're probably wondering how we get the unboxing, but we did get it from Dover Street Market, so you already know I got annihilated with the shipping. I could not believe the shipping charges on these. Definitely probably lost some money. I was just in the moment. I figured why not, so I just bought it anyways. Well, this box is pretty wild. How do I even open this thing? Where's like the... But yeah, like I said, unfortunately we had to cop off Dover Street Market, so the shipping was about $20, which is just crazy to me. And wow, I can't open this. Looks like we're gonna have to bust out the knife. But yeah, like I was saying, that release was just horrible. Horrible. Couldn't believe I didn't get a single pair. I even had Ashley trying to help me out if she could try to get a pair, and she was trying on her laptop and mobile too, and we could just not get through. I've actually like yet to see anyone like a real person get them. I see like some pages selling them. I haven't seen like anyone say like that they copped or anything, so I don't know if it was like a super limited release, if they're expecting to do like a bigger one when it hits sneakers, or like if it is gonna hit sneakers. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that that new colorway might be a Stussy, whatever, exclusive. But like I said, I'm not entirely sure on that. I didn't really go look to fact check that. It must have been like crazy limited or something. So first up, we got the worst purchase, definitely. The t-shirt, which is right here. This, whoa, some crazy packaging they got going on here actually. So it's wrapped in bubble wrap, even though it's a t-shirt, but I respect it, with a Dover Street Market sticker. That's pretty cool. So shout out to them with the packaging. It's nice to see when companies go like that extra mile sometimes. Then we got the, what is this? Okay, we got the invoice. So I can't believe it. I paid $50 for this t-shirt. This is in a size large, I guess. It's the Increase the Piece Stussy shirt. Like I said, obviously is what the unboxing is. Just it says Increase the Piece, and then it just has the Stussy Nike at the bottom. I won't be opening it because I am not keeping this for myself. I'm going to try to sell it, even though I don't really think I'll succeed. Might be like a hold item or something, but hopefully I can sell this pretty soon. Like I said, I was just kind of mad I didn't get the shoes. I did not want to pay $20 for the beanie, and you couldn't get 2 beanies, so I figured I would just get like the beanie and the shirt, so then I could only pay like $10 each for shipping in the same cart. Like, you see what I'm saying? Because it's like a $20 flat rate, I think, or at least where I live it's a $20 flat rate. Just the beanie in my cart was $20 shipping, and then I added the shirt and the shipping was still $20. So I figured I might as well just get the shirt. I might be able to sell it, or it might be an L. Like I said, you can tell what the last item is. It is the beanie, which is my favorite item, honestly. I'm honestly kind of shocked that the beanie's not doing well. I mean, I guess you really can't be like too crazy on a beanie. It just has a giant Nike swoosh on the front, and then on the back it has the Stussy logo. I think this is sick. It was $32, so with my shipping it was like $42, then with tax I probably paid $45-50 for this beanie. So hopefully I'll still be able to make some money off of this stuff, because like I said, I'm not keeping any of these items for myself. I am completely bummed I did not get the shoes. Still couldn't believe it. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys are able to get the shoes. I would just love to see someone actually get them. And again, hopefully they are going to do a bigger release, maybe a sneakers release or something like that, because I love those ones. I was hoping to get those for the personal, but couldn't even secure a single pair. So again, like I said, let me know in the comments down below if you guys are able to pick up anything from this drop. Leave a like. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified next time I upload another video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.